Assalam-o-Alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to get rid of dandruff with just 2 ingredients. So let's get started. Let's talk about the ingredients. First thing we need is a normal sized cucumber and a lemon. Peel off the cucumber and cut it into pieces. Now make a paste with the help of a blender or a mixer. Now take another bowl and take a cotton cloth. Put the paste on the cloth. And get the juice out of it. Now squeeze the lemon and add it to the juice. Blend them properly. And it's ready to use. Now dip a cotton ball into the mixture and squeeze out the excess. And apply it onto your scalp by making some partitions all over your hair. Gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes with the tips of your fingers and apply it all over your hair by taking small steps. Now wait for 20 minutes and wash it off with an anti-dandruff shampoo. This remedy not only removes the dandruff but also gives a beautiful shine to the hair. I would definitely suggest to try it at least once and apply it twice a week to get rid of dandruff completely. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive my latest videos.